Hey there, Rivian community. I've got a great new product here. These are bolt-on carbon mud flaps for the R1T and R1S. We're gonna do a quick product overview and then move into the install today and just show you how easy these install and the benefits of them. So a few of the key benefits of these mud flaps are, first off, they're actually real carbon fiber. Next, they use the factory screws that are in your fender liner. So there's no drilling, anything like that. You literally just pull the screws out, put the mud flap in, reinsert your screws, and it's very easy. They are cut to fit nicely up in the trim of the fender liner as well. So they're not gonna, look funny when they're up there. They fit really nicely up and just basically blend in perfectly. Next is they don't affect these side aero features, these air curtain slots. So we've left that alone, and we've really tried to give you the best coverage without affecting the airflow around the vehicle. So these are kind of like a minimal intrusive product. They fit in really nicely, easy to install, and yeah, I think you guys are gonna really like them.
All right, Alex here to do the install portion of this video. So we're gonna go ahead and start up front. The front mud flaps for the R1S and the R1T are gonna be the same. The rear are gonna be slightly different though, but they're both gonna attach very easily the same way using just two of the factory screws. So we're gonna go ahead and start up front here. All right, so we're gonna take a T20 Torx socket and a ratchet, and we're gonna remove these two lowermost screws in the fender liner here. Now we'll take our mud flap here, and you'll see the two holes in it line up with the two holes from the factory fasteners we just removed. So we can put those screws back in, and it is as simple as that. We will do the same thing for the other front mud flap. Let's go ahead and snug these up now. All right, now we're at the rear, and it's gonna be the same thing here. We're gonna go ahead and remove the two lowermost screws with the T20 Torx. All right, now we've got our mud flap, and the only difference here is in the rear, we're gonna have a little bit of double-sided tape here to help stick on this edge. And beforehand, we wanna make sure we get this real clean and dry, clean it with wax and grease remover, and then we are ready to put this on. So we'll get our holes lined up and get one of these screws started. Give it a nice press. All right, we now have a sleek and effective mud flap on our Rivian R1T or R1S. So that's gonna do it for us today on this install. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. If you wanna check this out for yourself, you can do that at evsportline.com. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more EV content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.